Hello friends, welcome back to Ecom Solutions Hive. In this video, we will talk about what is developer store. So you can see the first line. A developer store is a free Shopify store accessible to registered developer partners. So here are two terms. First is free Shopify store accessible. So what does it mean by free Shopify store? If I am not developer, then what? So let's talk about that first. So if you are not developer and you directly go to the Shopify, you don't know anything about Shopify development, you don't know anything. So first, what you will do, you will go to the Shopify.com. There you will log in as a user, admin. You will create your store and you will get some basic plan. So let's talk about what by default you get. The whenever you register as a user, by user I mean you want to start your business or your client business, and you went into Shopify directly and you logged into that and you got some store admin. So you will get start for free, but that will be for limited days. Right now, it's 3 days, I think. It can be changed. Maybe Shopify do it sometime 15 days. It's up to Shopify. So you will obviously get some free days. Okay. Then in India, right now the price is rupees 20 per month, but that is only for 3 months. Okay, so notice that this is for 3 months only. So first you get the 3 days. It can be 3 days, it can be 15 days. It's up to Shopify. Then you enjoy the per month cost of just 20 rupees in India. And your country in US, maybe it's in cents or maybe $1 per month. So that is very cheap price. After that, you have to choose the plan. So here are the plans. This is the basic plan, grow, advanced, and plus. Four plans are there right now, and each plan have different price, different features. So obviously the advanced one will have more than grow. Grow will have more than basic. Plus will be the maximum. So this is the way that Shopify works. So right now you can see, but don't go this price. The Shopify can change this price. Right now the price in India is this one. Maybe after few months, it Shopify change the price, and in your country maybe it's different. So this is how it goes for non-developer. So now we come to the next point. The next point was to register developer partner. So what is developer partner? Who is developer partner? Who can be the developer partner? So let's talk about that. So for that I will go to the website, and you can just Google the Shopify partner and click there, or you can directly open this link shopify.com, and this is my country in, and then partners. So here anybody can be the partner of Shopify. You can it's not necessary that you are developer or what. Anybody can be the partner of Shopify. Obviously, if you are developer, then only you will become the partner. You will explore the things. You it will be useful for you. For others, I don't know what will be the sense of Shopify partner. But yes, for Shopify developer, this is very good features. Then you are not bound for this. Start for free, then enjoy for few months for this price, and then you have to go for plan. This will be not for you. For partner, you can create multiple stores, and you can create different type of stores that we will talk later. I will explain you what kind of stores you can create as a developer. So first let's talk about this Shopify partner. Once you have become the Shopify partner, you can create the Shopify development store. I will explain you in detail what is the development store, and how it will be useful, and what type of development store you can create. Okay, so we will talk about that also in this video itself in brief, and then later I will give you the demo also. So let's become the partner first. I am going to click on, if as I am already the Shopify partner, I can log in also. But to show you how to become the Shopify partner, I am going to click sign up, and it will show my Shopify account also. I can click here also, and I can directly log in also. But to show you the demo, I am going to click on create partner organization. Okay, now here it shows the option, build new Shopify store for client, build apps, build themes. So we will talk about each and every point in detail, but right now in brief, if you want your Shopify store in near future, you want to transfer it to your client. So suppose you are the building your Shopify store for someone else, and then you want to transfer it after development complete, after testing complete, you want to transfer it to your client. So then this is the option. But don't worry, right now you can click anything here, and later we can choose again this one. As I told you, after creating the Shopify partner account, we can create multiple development stores. That time again we will get this option. These options are useful that time. Right now, whatever you choose, it doesn't matter. I think Shopify is just collecting it for their analytic purpose. So right now I am just clicking on build new Shopify store for client. Okay, then next, then it asks me the country, and it default is India. It asks the state. So for example, uh, Maharashtra, Maharashtra. Okay, next. Now it asks me the business name. Okay, so suppose I give anything, ecom solutions. Hive I have already taken. This is my email. So let me give some another email here. For by this email, it's already created. Okay, so job title, anything I can give. Uh, so you have to fill all these details, and then this is the optional. This is the optional address. Suppose 1 2 1 2 3. No, no. City Jaipur, Pune. I don't know the postal code of Pune, so I am just filling it like this. Subscribe, create partner organization is asking phone number also. So 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. See. Create partner organization. So it's creating the partner organization for me. Now here I get this is my partner organization, Ecom Solutions. It has created, and now here I can create the stores. In next lecture we will talk about it in detail, how to create. Mm, First, I have to verify my this email account, that I will do the offline, and then in next chapter I will next video I will explain you how to create a store, what are the different development stores. Let's talk about this theory one more. As a Shopify developer, you can use it to test themes and apps, or set up a store for client transfer. Okay, so as a developer, in developer account, I will show you how these options will come. If I am going to create a development store for testing purpose or for client transfer. So this is all we will talk about in detail in next video. Okay, so keep in touch. Wait for my next video. Don't forget to uh, like and share this video, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.